A very warm welcome to this Yoga Nidra meditation, which will help you to repair and reset your nervous system. You can listen to it once to help you connect with a deep state of calm and relaxation, or use it regularly to help repair your body after periods of intense stress or burnout. Yoga Nidra allows the body and mind to enter a space between wakefulness and sleep. And it's in this state of deep rest that we naturally invite our nervous system to reset and find equilibrium. So when you're ready, just finding a comfortable position to lie down and just getting really comfortable, ensuring that you're completely at ease. Take a moment to get set up, and you can pause the recording if you need to. And then just allowing your body to sink into the support beneath you, giving up your weight to gravity. There's nothing that you need to do right now. There's no goal to achieve. And you can allow your eyelids to close if you like, or even keep your eyes open. Some people find that more calming. And as the mind begins to settle, you might start to become more aware of your senses, the sounds in your environment around you, near and far, the temperature in the room, the feel of your clothes against your skin, the quality of the light in the room. And as you begin to transition into a state of restfulness, we'll take a gentle journey through the body. There's no need to move or visualize anything. Simply allow your awareness to travel through the body as each part is mentioned. And then we'll begin by just allowing your awareness to begin to drift down into your right arm, into your right hand. And we begin with the right hand thumb and the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, and the fifth finger, the palm of the hand, and the back of the hand, and the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder, flowing over to the left shoulder, and upper arm, elbow, the left forearm, wrist, the back of the hand, the palm of the hand, the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger and fifth finger. Feeling both hands now, the right hand and the left hand. Both hands together. And the whole of the right arm. The whole of the left arm. And both arms together. And letting your awareness drift up to the top of the head and the forehead and the right eyebrow, left eyebrow, and the space between the eyebrows, the right eye and the left eye, the right ear and the left ear, and the nose and the tip of the nose, and the upper lip and the lower lip and the jaw. Gently bringing attention now to the throat, the right collarbone and the left collarbone, the right hand side of the chest and the left hand side of the chest, the entire span of the chest, and the navel, the lower abdomen, and the whole of the abdomen, allowing warm awareness to envelop the right hip, the right thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, and the sole of the right foot, and the top of the foot, and the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Shifting gently up to the left hip and the left thigh, knee, lower leg, the left ankle, heel, the sole of the foot, and the top of the foot, the left big toe, and the second toe, and the third toe, and the fourth toe, and the fifth toe. Allowing warm and soft awareness to permeate through your body. As it gently sinks into a deeper state of rest. Your whole body gently releasing and softening. The whole body warm, soft, and relaxed. And just allowing yourself to linger in this soothing space as long as you wish. Just taking this time to let your body heal, to let your nervous system begin to repair, and just to give your mind and body a little bit of a break. And then when you're ready, just gently beginning to expand your awareness to the room around you. The temperature of the air in the room. The feel of the surface beneath you. And gently just inviting some movement back into your fingers and toes, ever so slowly. And just taking your time. And just beginning to tenderly stretch your body, moving in any way that feels comfortable and nourishing for you. Perhaps softly opening your eyes if they were closed, welcoming back the world around you, and bringing back some of that calmness that you've been spending time in. And I just wanted to thank you sincerely for sharing this peaceful moment with me today. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.